So yeah, it is some great results for Ipagania because if like it was a draw, well, it was gonna be disappointing because it is a team which they trying to chase because the priority our SBI. Why am I saying SCBC say it about is that this season they're just trying to fight for a league, really, but their priority it is a league, even though they won like MTN 8, but they think that they want the most it is a league available. And this will be beautiful, very if like league at any team. And with winning the league, you don't need to beat Sundowns or beat Kaizer Chiefs, especially Sundowns. And then it is a thing, your Gucci. You can lose on Sundowns or Kaizer Chiefs, but make sure what you win, La Mayama Cheese. About doesn't matter what you win beautiful or you win no matter because today about they won it like in an ugly way because they didn't dominate the match about overall. So it is a good result for them, especially the way they actually started develop because it was gonna be very hard to come back because if it is a team with Santa is not on form and then now we Parania we are not on form somehow when will be a season also on the because this is their worst season for Mamelodi Sundowns the kind of corner but so which will be another season abazo wazi ukuthi ba-chase i-league vele yabo i-Sundowns ingekho on point yabo so yeah I'm grateful for them ukuthi they didn't drop ama-points today.